In a world hurtling towards an unknown future, some traditions remain untouched by the relentless march of time. The simple act of tying a tie, passed down through generations, stands as a testament to enduring values. It's a ritual, a rite of passage, a skill that whispers of sophistication and self-assurance. Like the universe itself, the perfectly tied tie embodies a sense of order, of balance, of precision. It's a subtle nod to the past, a quiet rebellion against the encroaching chaos of the modern world. But this seemingly simple act, this knot of silk or wool, holds more significance than meets the eye. It's a silent language, understood across cultures and continents. It speaks volumes about the wearer, hinting at their attention to detail, their respect for tradition, their readiness to face the world with confidence and poise. The ability to tie a tie is more than just a practical skill. It's a symbol of manhood, a mark of respect, an embodiment of tradition. In a world increasingly dominated by casual attire, a well-tied tie stands out as a beacon of elegance and refinement. It's a message to the world, a silent declaration that you are a man of substance, a man who values the finer things in life, a man who understands the importance of presentation. Whether you're heading into a boardroom meeting, a formal dinner, or a momentous life event, a tie elevates your presence, commanding respect and admiration. It's the finishing touch that completes a sophisticated ensemble, a symbol of your commitment to excellence. In the tapestry of life, the ability to tie a tie is a thread that connects you to generations past, present, and future. The Half-Windsor knot, a timeless classic, embodies elegance and simplicity. It's a versatile knot, suitable for a variety of occasions, and its symmetrical shape exudes an air of refined sophistication. First, the foundation. Begin by placing the wide end of the tie on the right, extending it slightly below the narrow end. Cross the wide end over the narrow end, forming an X shape beneath your chin. Next, the ascent. Bring the wide end up and behind the loop around your neck, pulling it through the opening to create a knot. Hold the knot loosely, allowing the wide end to hang down. Then, the descent. Pass the wide end back down over the front of the knot, creating a band across the middle. Finally, the final flourish. Bring the wide end up behind the band, pulling it through the loop behind your neck. Tighten the knot by holding the narrow end and sliding the knot upwards. Adjust the tie to ensure it sits comfortably against your collar. Section 4. The digital age of knots. Even in an age where artificial intelligence is seeping into every facet of our lives, from self-driving cars to voice-activated assistants, the art of tying a tie remains a distinctly human endeavor. While algorithms can generate endless variations of knots and apps can guide you through animated tutorials, the tactile experience of tying a tie, the feeling of the fabric between your fingers, remains irreplaceable. It's a reminder that amidst the digital deluge, some skills are best learned through touch, through practice, through the transmission of knowledge from one generation to the next. And who knows, maybe one day, AI will develop the dexterity to tie a perfect half-Windsor. Until then, we can take pride in mastering this timeless art, a skill that transcends the digital divide. Section 5. The confidence of a well-tied tie. The ability to tie a tie is more than just a practical skill. It's a confidence booster, a silent affirmation of your self-worth. When you look in the mirror and see that perfectly formed knot, it's a reminder that you are capable, you are put together, you are ready to face whatever challenges lie ahead. It's a subtle shift in perspective, a boost to your self-esteem that can empower you to navigate the complexities of life with grace and assurance. In a world that often feels overwhelming, the simple act of tying a tie can be a grounding ritual, a moment of quiet self-care that reminds you of your own strength and resilience. Section 6. Subscribe for more timeless skills. Don't let the art of tying a tie become a relic of the past. Subscribe to our channel and join us as we delve into more timeless skills, from shining your shoes to writing a handwritten letter. Together, let's rediscover the elegance and sophistication of a bygone era and embrace the enduring power of tradition in a rapidly changing world.